typically not the girl out your league. I know that I'm not just like them other girls.
Hey y'all, it's me Pretty Witty 77 and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my leave-in collection. Now I feel like my most favorite collection would most definitely have to be deep conditioners. So if you missed that video, then definitely click the link above. I got you, girl. Don't even worry about looking for the video. I got you. But without further ado, just get into this leave-in because it's my second favorite collection, but well, is it? Yeah, it goes deep conditioner, leave-in, then styler. Basically how you put the products in your hair. But anyways, let's dive into the video. As I show you guys these leave-ins, I'm going to be rating them on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being the greatest, 1 being like trash. But let's keep in mind, one girl's trash leave-in is another girl's treasure. And just so y'all know, I'm going in no particular order. I have a huge basket of leave-ins right here, so bear with me. So we'll be starting off with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Some of this stuff got really long names, but anyways, did I say deep conditioner? Girl, who? This is a leave-in. The leave-in, y'all, I haven't tried like the mask. Yeah, of course, it's not in my collection. But this is a leave-in in my low po hair. My low porosity hair loves it. The rest of it just soaks it up. It's really creamy. And it typically blends with a lot of stylers, so definitely one of my favorite. I would probably rate this number 5 on a scale from 1 to 5. Like, let's start it out with a bang. The next leave-in is going to be by Paul Mitchell, the conditioner. And I did not like this. I didn't even try like the generic brand because I was like, let me see if I like the original, and if I like the original, let me just cut some corners and get the generic brand so I can save money because I like it. That probably sounds really bad and twisted, but I didn't like it, you guys. I probably would rate it a 1. If I could do, can I do 0? Because if it was a 0, this would be 1. And if y'all are wondering like, what was wrong? What was so bad about it? It just did not provide me slip. It was trash for my low porosity hair. It just wasn't good for me. So this next leave-in is going to be by Curls Collection, the Caviar, the Cashmere and Caviar collection. It's the hair silk, you guys, and it took me a minute to even make this make out that it was a leave-in because it says hair silk, so that's literally what it says, hair silk for kinky textured hair. And I'm like, okay, but what is it though? Like, how do I use it? It's the leave-in and it's bomb. On a scale from 1 to 5, I would rate it a 4. This next leave-in is by Mielle, and it's from the Pomegranate and Honey line, the leave-in conditioner. The slip was okay. It definitely wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't completely trash. I probably would rate it a 2 on the scale from 1 to 5. Like, that's all I have. So this leave-in is by Kinky Curly, and it's the Not Today. A lot of people rave about this product, and I'm going to say everything that they say about it is in fact true. This leave-in is really bomb, and it just does really good for my low porosity hair, and you know, my other hair just sucks it all in and just welcomes it. The only problem that I have with this leave-in is that it does not blend with a lot of stuff, and I have not tried the Custard, the Kinky Curly, like the styler. I haven't tried that yet, but the leave-in is really bomb, but it just does not blend. It does not really blend with Eco, but I'm gonna have to test it out and see what it does with the wet line extreme, but I really don't think it blends with that either. It doesn't blend with a lot of stuff, but it's bomb though. So on a scale from 1 to 5, if I was a standalone product, I probably would rate it a 4.5, 5. Like, it's up there, y'all. This next leave-in is by Naturally Smitten, and it is their Hydrating Hair Custard. It says it's a custard, but I read on the thing it can be used as like a leave-in too. So it's a really good leave-in. I've only used it and combined it with one other product, which was the Aunt Jackie's Curl Elongating Gel. Y'all know what I'm talking about? And it worked really great. The moisture was there. I actually did my wash and go with this when I went on my birthday vacation, and it lasted, okay? It was really good. So on a scale from 1 to 5, I probably would rate it a 3. I probably would rate it a 3. The only reason being is because I don't know. Shit, I don't know. It's a 3. So this next leave-in, I feel like I have a love-hate relationship with it, and I don't think I've ever like solely reviewed it on my channel, but you guys probably have definitely seen it in a video. And it is the Camille Rose, the Honey Hydrate from the leave-in collection. I love this product. It's a really, really good product. It goes on smooth. It makes my hair soft, and it even goes, it pairs with a couple of things. So it's not one of those leave-ins. It's like nothing can mix with it. It like turns white on my hair. It clumps up. Like, it doesn't do that. But on the time that I use this and, you know, put a styler on top, my hair was so soft the next day. It was so soft. It felt so soft. Like, I had a CPR moment. Like, is this my hair? What's going on? Like, I need air, you know? But humidity, okay? Humidity hit my hair, and you know, honey is a humectant, so it does draw moisture from the air into your hair to make sure that, you know, it stays, you know, moisturized and it doesn't dry out. But honey, when I tell you I went from defined to defined, because my hair was a furrow. I just don't know, it wasn't defined anymore. It did not hold, but it really makes my hair soft, so I really like it. But I'm gonna rate it as a leave-in and not as a combination. But as a leave-in, I probably would do it a 3. But as a combination, I need some definition. It didn't leave me no definition, y'all. Like, so the next couple of leave-ins I've used on my hair, but they have not solely been used on my natural hair. But they're still in my collection, so I'm gonna still give y'all a review. One of those is the Taliah Waajid, the green apple and aloe. It's a leave-in. I've squirted, you can squirt it a couple times because it's a spray, and I really don't like it. I mean, I don't like that it's so loose, but it worked okay. It didn't give me like, oh my god, I'm never gonna use this on my natural hair again. But I did testers, but I haven't really given it a full ride, you know, to see like, is it gonna ride for me? I don't even know if I could actually break this, but I'm just gonna like show y'all what's in my collection. Another one of those leave-ins is by The Main Choice, and it's from the ancient Egyptian line. It's the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. My transitioning hair love this stuff. It's so expensive, like, it's so expensive. I'm probably gonna have to catch like a Black Friday special just to see if my hair still likes this product. But if I was rating it on the hair that I use it on, I probably would say it was like a 4. Also, let's talk about The Main Choices, the hair type 4-leaf clothers leave-in spray. I haven't used this strictly as a leave-in. I've been kind of experimenting with this as a refresher or just something to make my hair smell good, because I'm one of those girls, like, I want my hair to smell good when I walk by. I want you to be like, what are you wearing? I'm like, oh, that's my hair, girl. Like, I love my hair to be smelling good. And this is something I've used to refresh wash and goes, or just kind of to add like a smell to my hair. It's almost gone. I'm trying to figure out what I did with it, because I didn't really get a chance to like use it like solely as a leave-in. But if I'm rating it for what I use it for, which I don't even know why it's in the video, but it's a leave-in, that's why, okay? 3 for smell. So these last couple of leave-ins are products that are in my collection that I have not gotten around to trying, but trust me, I will. So let's start there. Okay, this product has a really long name. It's Taliah Waajid's Protective Style Collection. It's Intense Moisture, Bamboo and Coconut Milk with Aloe and Sunflower Seeds Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. That's a long name. Get it together, Taliah Waajid. I've never used this before. It has coconut milk and like bamboo in here, so it should be good, right? If any of y'all have tried these products that I'm about to mention that I haven't tried yet, like, let me know how they work for y'all as leave-ins. It's an okay smell. It's not too strong. A lot of the products in this Protective Style Collection does have like that really essential oily smell. So if you don't like that smell, then I don't know if you want to check out this collection, but I'm definitely gonna try it. This next product, y'all, I'm kind of excited because I found this in my collection when I was like organizing my hair products, and this, I used to love it when I was a relaxed girl. It's a quote-unquote natural product, so I used to use a lot of natural products that were geared towards natural hair. But anyways, that is it's a soft and free grow healthy brand. It's called Nothing But Melted Shea Butter Leave-In. I think they discontinued this. I've been looking for it online for a long time and I could not find it. Well, I had been looking for it online, I couldn't find it, but I remember I found it on Amazon. I ordered like 2 containers. I used one and this one was just like dangling in my collection, but now I found it. I'm definitely gonna see how I like it. This is so exciting for me, y'all. Like, but if I had to rate it on my relaxed hair, I probably would say a 5. As I mentioned earlier, I am a sucker for hair products that smell good. I have not used this Mielle's Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie yet, but it literally smells like candy. It smells like Jolly Rancher, okay? Capital J, capital R. Like, it smells so good. I ain't gonna lie, I've been guilty of, like, when I'm leaving out of the house, maybe for work, like pumping a couple of pumps in my head and just like kind of like pumping it through my hair so my hair can smell like candy. It smells so good and I'm excited to use it. I heard that it flakes on a lot of people, but I'm gonna try my best to pair it with the right thing so that it won't like ruin the experience for me. The next leave-in that I'm going to be discussing is by TGINs, and it's the Green Tea Super Moist leave-in conditioner. This conditioner, I used it on my texlaxed hair and I loved it. I probably would rate it a 5. I did a video a minute about the best leave-ins, the best black owned leave-ins. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's kind of old, you know, I look kind of different, but you know, I keep it clean. So check out the link above because I'm going to link it to you. I tried black owned leave-ins and this probably was rated really high. I'm so excited to see how this product works in my natural hair. So let me know if y'all ever use this. I heard one person say it was trash, but somebody else said it was good. Like, I don't know though. Like, I'm trying to see some. Comment below. This next product is unused. It is the Kinky Shea Butter, the leave-in conditioning repair cream. It could be used as a leave-in. It also can be rinsed out. I haven't seen that many people talking about this product. I've actually had it before. It kind of been popping up again in your feed lately, but I see it and I'm like, dang, I had that in my collection. I probably should have already talked about it, but I'm gonna get to it, sis. I'm gonna get to it. So if you guys have tried this Kinky Shea Butter, the leave-in conditioning repair cream, that's a long name, let me know in the comments, sis. I'm trying to see some. Check this out. I told y'all I'm a sucker for smells, right? This Curls Unleashed like packet, they have a shea butter and mango leave-in conditioner. It smells so good, bruh. So guess what I've been doing? I done opened the pack. Haven't even tried it on my natural hair, girl. Been squeezing out little by little and like refreshing my wash and goes or something, just like to add a little smell and just like, you know, fluffing it into my curls. It smells so good. I don't see a lot of people talking about the Curls Unleashed line. Do y'all know something that I don't know? Like, y'all want to DM me what's up? Like, we boycott? I mean, let me stop. But it does smell really, really good. So I might need to just buy this and try it and review it because obviously a lot of people aren't talking about it. Maybe y'all just, you know, haven't seen a lot of people talking about it, so that's why you aren't drawn to it. But I can get down to the bottom of it. Just leave a comment if y'all want me to review it because like I will. That concludes my leave-in collection. I have so many leave-ins. I am a sucker for leave-ins too. Like, behind every set of properly deep conditioned strands is a good leave-in, sis. Like, why not? Why not? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far, like, why aren't you already? I know you want to. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, if you haven't already, like, why aren't you a part of the notification gang? Go ahead and click that bell for your girl, okay? Okay. Thank you, beautiful souls, so much for checking out my video. And I'll see you guys again on the next one.
You always calling about something. You always want it my way. I gotta catch you on something. You gotta be tired of playing.